time for Glazed and Confused, where we answer real homeowner questions. Today, we are focusing on questions that we've received specifically about warranties. And hopefully, we are going to stump Dunk.
Well, I hope you have a good warranty, because that stump Dunk line might be defective.
Oh God, folks, it's already starting. We better jump into our first question fast. Question number 1. My window is leaking. Is that covered by my warranty?
Well, if you're dealing with good windows, they probably aren't leaking because of the window. It could happen. For example, if your weep holes were filled up with dust and dirt and debris and you hadn't cleaned them for 5 years and it was raining hard, you could actually feel like your windows are leaking to the inside. But normally it's not that sort of a problem. It's usually an installation problem. So, caulking that's cracking, a window that wasn't installed correctly, whether it be new construction or retrofit. So that's the answer to that question.
All right, so it sounds like basically if you've got a good quality window, which typically you have with Milgard, for example, that you shouldn't really worry about the actual window itself leaking, that it really has to do with the installation or something that had gone awry during that process.
Typically. There are always exceptions, but if you ever discover a leak, let your installer know as soon as possible so that you can have the situation remedied and find out what the problem is.
Absolutely. Always a great idea. Question number 2. Are there actions that I can do that may void my Milgard warranty?
Why, yes, there are. Painting your vinyl windows could very, very easily void your warranty. Adding additional tinting, the films, to the inside or the outside of your window will definitely void your fogging up warranty. Improper use of your windows that would damage them can also void a warranty. And if you don't maintain them, that can also void the warranty. The example I would give is not cleaning out your weep holes underneath the track. If that builds up over a long period of time and it's very, very dirty and it blocks the ability of the window to weep, and you have a leak, then that is not going to be covered by warranty.
Okay, great. So even if I know with Milgard, I have a high quality window. You're saying I have to make sure that I'm properly maintaining the window for as long as I own the home.
That's why they call it a lifetime warranty.
Question number 3. I have a warranty issue. How do I file a claim?
That's a good question. So us being an installer, you can call us if we sold you your windows and we can help you with your claim. Or you can call 1-800-MILGARD directly yourself and they will help you. Or you can file a claim online at milgard.com/service-request. All of this info will be on a screen in a video somewhere about here to help you with your issues. Okay, let's move on. Some of the things that you will need to help you with your claim: name, address, your sales order number, which will be in that handy video that will be over here. And you'll need the line item number. You'll need some images of what's the problem. If you don't have that information, then you can take some measurements, which will really help narrow down which window is being talked about, and a description of the problem that you're suffering.
Right. Well, that's, it's pretty simple and straightforward, it sounds like. Now, not a lot of people know about the sales order or line number. And what's great is that you can actually find this on your window or in your window itself. And we have a wonderful video that shows you where specifically you can find that. Just go to our YouTube page and search for where to find my sales order. And you'll be able to find the video that will just address that specific question you might have.
all of the information that you can have will really help expedite your order.
Absolutely. You don't want to wait for a crisis to happen because, you're just planning ahead. That's what you always want to make sure you try to do.
I think we just turned this into an after-school special.
I think you might be right about that.